And we shift our focus back to the valley where an encounter is underway in Srinagar and Lashkar terrorist Salim Pareh has been neutralized. Anti-terror operations are underway. Zeenat joins us live from that very spot, which is slightly away from where the operations continue. Zeenat, talk to us and tell us what's happening.
See, we are reporting from the encounter spot, and this is my VJ Mubashir is showing you the Shalimar Garden, one of the Mughal gardens in the Srinagar Sea where the encounter had happened. And in this encounter, Salim Pareh was neutralized. This was a clear operation of SOG Srinagar on the basis of the input that they had generated. SOG Srinagar carried an encounter in which Salim Pareh of LET, top commander of LET, has been neutralized. In fact, he was listed among the top 10 terrorists in the Kashmir Valley. And finally, today JKP got success in neutralizing him. As my VJ is showing you the visuals, you can see not only the JKP but also the CRPF has reached to the spot. And now the dead body has been taken out. We can say that the beginning of 2022 is going quite well, because just yesterday we witnessed an operation at, my VJ is showing you the visuals for dead body. One can see the dead body of the terrorist killed here in the Shalimar Garden. This also tells you that how the int was generated by SOG Srinagar, because presence of terrorists found in the Mughal Garden is going to be quite challenging for the Srinagar police along with other security agencies. As I can see that IG Kashmir along with IG CRPF all are here as sir, it's a good bit of breaking news for Srinagar police that you neutralized Salim Pareh, who was in the top 10 of J&K police.
आज जब श्रीनगर पुलिस को खबर मिला कि शालीमार बाग में सलीम परे घूम रहा है हथियार लेके, किसी सॉफ्ट टारगेट को टारगेट करना था, तो श्रीनगर पुलिस सीआरपी का वेली काटी लेके कॉर्डन डाला। कॉर्डन डालने के बाद मिलिटेंट ने फायरिंग किया और जवाई कार्रवाई में सलीम परे मारा गए। पुलिस सीआरपीएफ के लिए बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है। और ये वही सलीम परे है जो 2016 के इतिहास में 12 सिविलियन का गला काट दिया था।
सर, ये कब से एक्टिव था और कितनी किलिंग्स है?
2016 से एक्टिव है और कम से कम 2 दर्जन जैसा किलिंग है और 1 दर्जन सिविलियन का ये गला सिर्फ थ्रोट किया था ये।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So that was IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar, who said that he has been active since 2016. He had slaughtered, Salim Pareh has slaughtered some 12 people in 2016. That has been confirmed by IGP Kashmir. It's a big success for Jammu Kashmir police, who have been quite following the Salim Pareh's movement. And today IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar said that they got an input that his presence in the Shalimar Garden and a very swift operation. As my VJ is showing you, this is a tourist spot, one can see, and it's usually the occupied. You can see the movement of the tourists usually at this place, but despite that, we are seeing a very swift operation carried by SOG Srinagar, in which Salim Pareh has been neutralized. Elite top commander has been neutralized in Srinagar police, and now one can see also the withdrawal is taking place, and it is going to be a successful year as we see, because yesterday there was one Pakistani intruder who was killed by SOG Kupwara along with Indian Army along the line of control in Keren sector. And next day we are seeing that another terrorist, the LET commander, active since 2016 in Kashmir, involved in a number of killings, today killed by SOG Srinagar. Back to studios.
All right, Zeenat, they're getting us all the details from that very spot. Of course, talking about that smooth operation conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir police and our forces. Zeenat, continue talking to us, because we just saw how the dead body of that terrorist was taken. And most importantly, like you're telling us, he'd been active since 2016, responsible for many killings, had been under the radar of the Jammu and Kashmir police and has finally been neutralized. Also, how difficult it was to conduct this operation, since it is a tourist spot, and inputs that were received, after which swift action that was taken, Zeenat.
Oh, Absolutely, Swesha. We are seeing a very swift operation carried by SOG Srinagar here in the Mughal Garden. This Mughal Garden is known as Shalimar Garden, which is usually occupied by the tourists. And JKP received an input that the Salim Pare's presence in the Mughal Garden and a very swift operation was launched where he was killed. So this is going to be a big success for the GKP because as my Vijay is showing you the visuals of the garden, because this is the garden where he was neutralized. This is the garden where his presence was observed, and on the basis of his presence and the input generated by Srinagar SOG, the terrorist was killed. The operation was carried by SOG Srinagar here in the Shalimar Garden, where Salim Pare has been neutralized, and this has been also confirmed by IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar, who spoke to us just a few minutes back exclusively, and where he said the Salim Pare was involved in number of killings. He was a part of 2016 agitation. He slaughtered people, some 12 in number, in 2016. Number of times he managed to escape from the encounter spot, but today he has been neutralized here in Shalimar Garden, Shalimar area of Srinagar.
Those details coming in from Zeenat, and getting that first word from the Jammu and Kashmir police on this operation that has been conducted. Zeenat, we also understand that search and cordon is still in place, and of course the final sanitization that is in process. But Salim Pare has indeed been a big win as far as his killing is concerned, of how he has been neutralized in this encounter. Zeenat, continue talking to us. Zeenat, I understand that a lot of movement is happening there right now, and of course the dead body of that terrorist that was just taken. Talk to us, Zeenat.
Yes, Swesha, my Vijay is showing you the visuals from the outside the Shalimar Garden, where you can see now the withdrawal of the forces is taking place. These are the vehicles that belongs to Jammu Kashmir Police along with the CRPF. Now withdrawal is taking place as the dead body has been taken out from the garden. So the body will be shifted to PCR as per the routine, which is a normal drill that is usually followed by SOG or the operational group of any security agency. But when we talk about the Salim Pare, he had given n number of escapes to Jammu Kashmir Police along with Indian Army, because he used to operate in Bandipora, where from he comes from Hajan area of Bandipora, and in Bandipora operations also he managed his escape. But as IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar said that they have received an information about his presence in the Shalimar Garden, a very swift operation was launched by them, and he was neutralized in few minutes only. And we also witnessed that now the CRPF has also chipped in this operation. But this is a clear operation of SOG Srinagar, where Salim Pare, elite top commander, who was in the top 10 list of Jammu and Kashmir Police. If you remember, the list was out in July last year, where IGP Kashmir said that he is one of the main targets as far as the terrorist list is concerned. And today finally Salim Pare was neutralized. You can see the withdrawal of forces is taking place here in the Shalimar area of Srinagar. This is the Mughal Garden of Srinagar, where in a swift operation Salim Pare was neutralized. So very big success for Jammu Kashmir Police, who believe that his killing is quite very important, because he was involved. He slaughtered 12 people in 2016, and that has been confirmed by IGP Kashmir himself, who talked to us while back giving details about the operation. So it's really a big success for Jammu Kashmir Police. Though if we talk about this four-shoulder belt, we have witnessed one more operation in Harwan, which is just a kilometer away from this place, some 10 days back. Now another swift operation launched by Jammu Kashmir Police here in Shalimar area of Srinagar, where Salim Pare, elite top terrorist elite commander has been neutralized by SOG Srinagar. Withdrawal of forces is taking place. It seems that the traffic too will be restored in some time from now.
All right, Zeenat, many thanks, I beg your pardon, for joining us and giving us all these details.